Have you ever had a chili burger? These motherfuckers bust. Look at the chili, the cheese, and the bacon. Let's get into it. It's so good just like this, but if you want to add more stuff or anything else, I'm sure it wouldn't hurt it. Let's get into it, y'all. That chili and cheese in there is so good, y'all. I just made a big mess. That's why it look dirty. I have chili everywhere. This shit's good. I'm gonna go back in with chili and cheese on my pants. Looks like it's about to rain again. Yeah, it's been so rainy these past couple days. And when it gets hot, I know it's gonna get hot. But I felt like today has been dragging when I got in there. It was going pretty fast, and then I feel like it slowed down. We only got one more day to work. They gotta work Saturday, but we don't. We put in PTO. Thankfully, it got approved, so we're gonna be up early, headed to the park, getting ready for the field day Saturday. But I'm about to hop up off here, y'all. Finish a little more of this and then head in. I love y'all. Peace out, and talk to y'all later.